Hello everyone, let's do this problem. It's just an example that I made up where we use L'Hopital's rule to evaluate a limit. What we do is we look at this fraction where we're finding a limit, and we look at the limit of the numerator and the denominator and see what we get. So we'll start that way. I'm just going to write it down here on the side. We have x approaches 0 of e to the 3x, e to the 5x. We can go ahead and plug x equals 0 in there. Those are continuous functions. So we get e to the 3 times 0 minus e to the 5 times 0. So that's e to the 0 minus e to the 0, which makes 0. On the other hand, if I look at the denominator of this fractional expression, I have limit as x approaches 0 of sine 7x. Once again, I can plug in x is 0 because sine is a continuous function. So I have sine of 0. Sine of 0 is equal to 0. So numerator approaches 0. The denominator approaches 0. This is a 0 over 0 indeterminate form, which gives us a green light to use L'Hopital's rule. And how do you use L'Hopital's rule? We take the derivative of the numerator and the denominator separately, not a quotient rule, just take the derivative of the numerator, take the derivative of the denominator. Okay, come on y'all, what's the derivative of e to the 3x? It's 3 e to the 3x. So how do you take the derivative exponential? You copy and paste the exponential, e to the 3x, then you go above and take the derivative of 3x, which is 3. So we use the chain rule. So that's why it's also a good problem here, is just to practice that. So e to the 5x, the derivative of e to the u, say call u equal to 5x. So the derivative of e to the u is e to the u, so e to the 5x. Then we take the derivative of 5x, and we get 5. How about the sine 7x? What's that derivative? Awesome. Cosine, we use the chain rule. So cosine is the derivative of sine u, it's cosine u. We keep the inside the same 7x, but then we multiply by the derivative of 7x, which is 7. So that gives us 3, because now I can directly substitute and see if we still get a 0 over 0 form. 3 e to the 3 times 0 minus 5 e to the 5 times 0 over 7 cosine 7 times 0. So this gives 3 e to the 0 minus 5 e to the 0, 7 cosine 0. All right, e to the 0 is 1, and cosine 0 is 1, so we get 3 minus 5 over 7, which makes negative 2 over 7. That's our final answer. That's the answer to this problem. Okay, so what should I ask for? Please like, please comment, please subscribe, and it's another thing you could do, which is, if you like, turn on notifications that you're going to get a video. But don't just like, comment, subscribe, or not. It doesn't.
There you go.
Okay.
You're good into the influencer game right now.
Okay. All right. Thank you. Take care. Bye.